How's everyone going out there in internet world? Kane is back from Kano's Breaks with next box of Midnight Suns. What's that like? Yeah, I might try that without the reflection. Let's see how that goes. It's actually daylight. It's just raining outside, so let's see what we get, eh? Hope that's still bright enough for everyone to see. I'd like it to be a bit more sunnier. Raining. Fingers crossed, let's get a banger. Last box I didn't think I got any numbered cards, which I thought was strange, but you know, they're an amazing set, so still look cool. Righto. Let's go. First pack. I hope that picture's alright. It's pretty good. In the ideal world, I'd really like to be able to break cards at this time all the time, as it just gets good to get that reflect above me. But we have Baron Skullfire, Spider X. Our first screen is, oh, that is pretty sick. Cosmetic Ghost Rider. Wow, that's a nice card. F in the back. Nipsio. Got Robbie Reyes, Spirit of Vengeance. What is our first hit from the box? It is Mordred the Mystic. And just a silver one. Okay. Don't believe I have that one. Goes back out of the way. Did believe I heard that there's actually a set of Metal Avengers coming out as well. Just keep producing. Dagger, nice card. Got Taboo, seen him a few times now. Oh, okay. We have a green Spellcraft Stories here. Cool. Green one. From the back. Captain Marvel. Spellcraft Stories. The hit is I think it's one of those. It's an Ultra Shade. In concept. I had that character. That's our first Ultra Shade. Out of the box. Nothing skinny. Dr. Voodoo. Vengeance. Green Electra. Down in the folder. The favourites. Kitty Pride. Got nice. Spellcraft Stories. And we have, oh, nice, Scarlet Witch Medallion. Very nice card. Started putting the cards in binder yesterday. They give it very nice. It'll be a heavy folder once they're all in there, though, I can tell you. Once I complete the cards that I want from the set. Skinny. You got Sabertooth. Our green. Flocks. I think Deflock. Blackout. A Spirit of Vengeance. Elijah Jones. That's pretty cool. And we have those glow in the darks, is it? It's Creek Concert. Dark card. I think the last box I actually got 2 of those. I think, yeah, might have took away, getting 2 and then took away my number. You know, hopefully not this box. It's a good card for that. Howard the Duck. Oh. Got Bats. That. Werewolf by Night. Ghost Spot. Nice card. Wow. Nice art. We have Medical Artifacts. Dark. And looks like another medallion. Valkyrie. Had that Valkyrie medallion. Cool. 3 medallions so far. But I'd like to get a green one. Red one. Stick out really nice colour. Different coloured. Moonlight. Yes. We have Breeze, green medallion, green Pharrell card. It's Frosty. Spellcraft Stories. And it is, yes. Okay, we have Ultra Abilities, Santana. That's a nice card, actually. 10. Still nothing numbered yet, though. No numbered. Got Paradox. Linda Little Trees. The green is Cat. Dormu. We go Isaac Mutu. Artifacts. There you guys, something here. Oh, Black Heart Medallion. Cool. Like a goldy colour. To be numbered card, is it? Yep. 59 out of 200. Black Heart. Actually get a penny sleeve for that one. Out the back. It's kind of cool. First numbered medallion. Nice. Very first. I was waiting for it in the first box. I don't believe I got one. I didn't get a numbered card anyway. The other. Sorry, camera. He's enjoying their weekend. Watching it go by so. Series. Ipso. Oh, green lift brake. And thing. Spellcraft Stories. And Medallion, is it? Yep. Oh, yes. Sabretooth. Yeah. That's not. Yeah, you should appreciate a good picture like that. Only 4 packs left. It'll be over. Here he is. One of them seen that one, right? Noble Kale. Blazing Skull. The green Damien Hellstorm. We got Man Blade himself. Strange Tales. Yep. And here. Okay. We have a blue Spellcraft Stories man thing, looks like it. 21, 80. 2 numbered cards this time. Very cool. Spellcraft Stories. Awesome. No. So we actually get numbered cards, you know? 2 there. So 3 packs left. Anything else banging in here? Got 2 pairs. And Venom. The green is a green Cable. Scarecrow. That's pretty good. Got an artifact. Sweet. And who we have? We have a Falcon. Medallions of that. We've got 2 packs left. Wonder if there are 2 more medallions just sitting in there. Who knows? I guess we'll find out shortly. Ooh, bumping that camera. Scarlet Spider. Pretty cool. Nice. Cat. Oh, awesome. Green Point East. That's cool. Cypress. Oh, that is cool. Green and Blade Spellcraft Stories. We have here. Oh, we got another numbered. What number is this? It's red. Of Taboo. What number is he? Red. Yep, that's 73 of 100. Possibly the worst character that I've seen out of the whole set. I think I've got him about 5. Oh, well, that's 3 numbered cards. How do you go from getting one box with no numbered cards to a box with free? That's crazy. Hey guys, last pack. Very strange. Wonder what last pack. Okay. Got Meat Market, Green Storm, Strange, then a Red Strange Werewolf by Night Strange Tale, and medallion, is it Scarlet Spider medallion? Cool. How many medallions do we get this time? 6 medallions this time. Didn't get any 3x3s. We only got one Ultra Shade. Got one Strange. Okay. Strange boxes. Yeah. Show you the 3 big major hits anyway. So we got a Red Taboo out of 100. 73 out of 100. You almost hit the green or something. We've got a Blue Spellcraft Stories Man Thing out of, and then we've got a Goldie Medallion Black Heart 50 out of 200. And that'll be a break, guys. That is her. Yeah, so thanks for jumping in and watching me do my next box. I said if you're new around here and you like seeing a few breaks, I try and make content as good as I can and as fast as I can. But yeah, it's pricey sometimes. But anyway, if you'd like to join, subscribe, turn on your notifications when I post a new video. If not, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for joining, fellas and ladies. Cheers.